Welcome to my brand new series of Let's Explore Food. I'm going to be taking you to different state houses in Delhi where we are going to try authentic food from each of the states in India. I am at the JNK Bhavan and I have a friend joining me. Today we are going to be trying food and she is going to do the vegetarian side and I am going to try the non-vegetarian food in Jammu and Kashmir. So let's go and enjoy and explore.
To enter any state house, you have to make an entry at the main gate. It's about a 2-minute walk from the main gate. As you enter, there is a reception, and next to it is the restaurant area. The food that you order here depends on what is available and what is made in the restaurant that day. In vegetarian, we were offered khatta bengan and dal, while in the non-veg, there was mutton rista and mutton kebab. It's reaction time.
First impression of dal.
Looks like hostel wali dal
Genuine review.
because they are not paying us for giving the reviews. We to be very honest.
No, but pay भी करते तो भी मैं honestly
हाँ.
review देती. Okay, let's start.
Yeah.
It better be the worth the time and effort that we have come so far.
Yeah, true.
And any Kashmiri better tell this is authentic or not.
It's mild in taste. Khatta bangan is actually very khatta, and dal is actually hostel wali dal, but like tasteful, not tasteless.
Okay. Okay. Now let me try the non-veg.
Yeah, sure. So Sneha is trying the
The
kebab.
kebab and बहुत ही मसालेदार लग रहा है कबाब पहले तो and पहले करी और ये I'm not sure if this chicken or mutton. मुझे उनकी pronunciation समझ में नहीं आई quite frankly. तो मैं
We
टेस्ट
can
करके ही
ask
बताऊंगी.
them again.
हाँ एक बार पूछ लूंगी.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Okay, I think this is mutton if I'm not wrong. Chalo. Let the first bite. Interesting taste. It has
Okay.
good flavors
Okay.
and the curry. The curry is nice and spicy.
Okay. Wow. Too spicy, I guess.
Yeah, too spicy.
And then
अभी
now
कबाब
it's
टाइम.
time for kebab.
कबाब या अच्छे से उन्होंने ना
Which
टमाटर और मसाला भी दिया हुआ है. टमाटर और प्याज का मसाला. तो अभी जब हम ये ट्राई कर रहे हैं यार frankly kebab is not soft but texture है उसमें. So I've had better kebabs in my life. The flavor is nice but I've had better kebab. So now let's finish this and give us a final review. Also I'll try the vegetarian section in a bit and I'll give you my honest review about this.
Personally, the dal was quite watery in looks. And rahi baat khatta bengan ki, it looked a little too oily. So yes, I will give you a final review at the end. For me, the question will always remain, is this really authentic food from Jammu and Kashmir? And what is the taste in real? After we were done with our meals, we went to the side where there are rooms for guests to stay. These can be booked through the website way in advance. And since they are not so expensive, they get filled fast. It's time to exit and give you a final and honest review of what we really thought of this place with no filters.
This is the bill that we got of the things we had ordered. अभी हम आपको honest review बताएंगे as we exit this wonderful place. What did you finally think of the food?
I found it so.
Huh.
So even being a vegetarian, I feel that the खट्टा बैंगन was good. It was giving the feeling of a pickle, अचार जैसी feeling आ रही थी उसे खा के, तो उससे थोड़ा taste enhance हो गया. Otherwise दाल तो मेरी hostel में शायद इससे better ही मिलती थी. बाकी I would give it 2.5 out of 5 based on the vegetarian menu. So now it's your turn.
Okay. So okay. I tried both vegetarian, non-vegetarian. यही फायदा होता है being a non-vegetarian. Anyway, so honest review. Mutton curry थी वो. It was actually basically वो बोलते हैं ना mutton कीमा balls with gravy. अब मुझे उसका authentic नाम नहीं पता तो sorry. But वो mutton was कच्चा and the second thing was kebab was nice. उसका मसाला बहुत अच्छा था. But the kebab I think could have been cooked better. Other than that, vegetarian में hands down I think वो खट्टा बैंगन actually बहुत अच्छा था. दाल यार कोई बीमार हो ना तो वो सच में वैसी दाल थी. I mean ठीक है, किसी को सिंपल दाल अच्छी लगती हो तो श्योर. एंड क्वाइट फ्रैंकली अगर ये ऑथेंटिक जम्मू एंड कश्मीर फूड है, कोई गया है जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, प्लीज मुझे बताओ कि एक्चुअली वही खाना है या इससे भी बेटर कुछ ट्राई कर सकते हैं तो, और कहाँ कर सकते हैं इन दिल्ली. अगर हम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर जाएंगे, ट्रैवल करेंगे एंड होपफुली करेंगे कभी लाइफ में, तो हम वहाँ पे भी ट्राई करके आपको जरूर बताएंगे. बट फॉर नाउ आई थिंक कि दिस एक्सपीरियंस फॉर द फर्स्ट क्या बोलते हैं उसे स्टेट हाउस, इट
So खट्टा बैंगन saved J&K house.
एग्जैक्टली. अदरवाइज काश खाना और अच्छा होता और मेरा संडे और
And we
बेटर
have seen a
जाता.
lot of Jammu and Kashmir, I think people coming here and
Yeah.
having food. I don't know.
या there were a lot of people by the time we were leaving, but अब सच क्या है झूठ क्या है वो तो जो देख रहा है वो बता सकता है.
And you people should really comment.
Yes, I know. So thank you for watching and as we walk along आप चलते जाइएगा हमारे साथ. यहाँ पे there is also within the same community there is the Ladakh house also. तो जब हम यहाँ वापस आएंगे then hopefully I will show you this. बाकी let's exit this place and enjoy the wonderful roads of this area. Jammu and Kashmir Bhavan, next to it is the Ladakh Bhavan and सामने is the Bihar Bhavan. तो ऐसे ही आसपास सारे भवन हैं and we are walking on this nice walking path. ऐसे walking streets क्यों नहीं हैं पूरे दिल्ली में? Okay, you tell me. अब इसके बाद next भवन कौन सा ट्राई करना है?
So one of my favorite cuisines is Maharashtrian cuisine. So I would like to try next the Maharashtra Southern.
Okay.
So I think we should go there next.
ठीक है, done. For me, I love Maharashtra and मैंने वो बहुत सारा खाना actually authentic खाया है, तो ये भवन ट्राई करके पता चलेगा that whether actually it justifies the real Maharashtra food or not. बाकी as we walk along, जस्ट अभी कोई हमें मिला और किसी ने हमें एक्चुअली बोला कि जो जम्मू एंड कश्मीर का भवन है कौन बना रहा है?
कुक बिहारी है. और and even they are not making the Bihari food.
क्या चल रहा है? Anyway, मतलब
so everyone is really like disappointed from this bhavan. I think we would not recommend on that basis कि आप लोग ज्यादा हैं, but बाकी it's up to you.
वो जो लोग हमें मिले थे वो एक्चुअली नेक्स्ट टेबल पे बैठे थे and I overheard them when they said कि सबसे बकवास खाना उन्होंने यही खाया है. एक्चुअली खाना को कभी बकवास नहीं बोलते, but honestly taste wise it was so bad कि हम कितने मिनट में exactly 20 मिनट्स में हम खाना खा के निकल गए. यूजुअली हम 2-3 घंटे लगा के बैठते हैं, चिल करते हैं. What do you say?
Yeah, I would also say the same, that we were the fastest to come out of that house.
I know.
We just went in, had the 2 bites and then we came out.
Yeah, और मैं इतने मोटिवेशन एक्साइटमेंट से गई थी कि मैं पैक करके लेके जाऊंगी अपने फैमिली के लिए. But
for the first time we left food over there.
Yeah, I usually
we really didn't like.
Yeah, हम लोग कभी वेस्ट नहीं करते खाना, but ये इतना खराब था कि हमें एक्चुअली छोड़ना पड़ा क्योंकि भाई नॉनवेज एक तो कच्चा, वेज जैसे उसने बोला कि हॉस्टल का खाना लग रहा था. तो ओके, गुड लक.
Change of tastes, scenic views and reviews, it was time to find something that could make our Sunday a little better.
So
So just to make our day and life a little better on a Sunday, we ended up at Third Wave. She had her favorite coffee, so did I. It was a good ending of a good day.
True.
And we are just walking past and आज का दिन समाप्त हुआ. So thank you for watching.
नमस्कार, आपसे
Namaste.
मिलते हैं अगले vlog में.
See you, and we will see you at the Maharashtra
Southern.
Southern. See you. Bye.